In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M56, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then scroll to Hit Theme, apply any of those and simply go back. If you wish to try something more interesting, you can always switch your Samsung keyboard to Gboard. Gboard, the Google keyboard from Google Developer that you can download from Play Store. When it's ready, open it. Hit Enable in Settings. Use this switcher next to Gboard and hit OK in Attention pop-up. Then go back. Hit Select Input Method and tap on Gboard here. Now select Done and hit Theme to pick any of those. I will go with this one. Tap on the best theme for you, manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit Apply. So when I go back and check out my keyboard, I can see that Gboard was successfully applied and theme of it was changed. To customize it, you can click on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Click on this plus under My Themes and tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!